Good morning, respected teacher and classmates. I'm Juliet Valencia. Um, I'm gonna do a little presentation about teaching English for specific purposes. First of all, I want to do a short personal introduction. I am Juliet Valencia. I'm 30 years old. I work in Convergys as a quality evaluator. I have been working there for about 3 years and a half. What else? I live in Suacha, in a neighborhood called Ciudad Verde, very close to Bogota. My expectations about this course are train myself as a competent teacher with the application of the tools this course can provide me, like for example the capacity of seeing my work as a teacher in a more critical and objective way, and also how to design materials for specific purposes. Now I'm gonna answer the questions proposed in the activity guide. The first question is, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? So my personal goal will be improve myself in the creation or in the design of different materials, different curriculums and methodologies that I can implement in order to teach English for a specific purpose. The second question is, according to the course contents, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competence? I think that through the development of this course, I'm gonna improve my communicative competence because we are gonna do videos. So through the videos, we can improve our communicative competence also through the writing. And other competence that I think that I'm gonna improve is the production competence because I'm gonna design different materials, different curriculums. So in that way, I'm gonna improve my production competence too. And the third question is, according to the course contents, what are the 2 topics you like the most and why? So I was reviewing the course. I think that all the topics are interesting, but I really took my attention analyzing needs and possible components for design an ESP course. And the other topic was creating a syllabus for teaching an ESP course. For example, I really took my attention the first one because in this one I'm gonna analyze the different components that I'm gonna need for design an ESP course, like for example the requirements that I'm gonna need for design it. So I think that is very important to know which are the components that I need to have into account when I'm gonna design an ESP course. And this is like the theoretical part. And the second topic is creating a syllabus for teaching an ESP course. That is like the practice part. So I think that these 2 topics complement between them. So for that reason, I really liked and really took my attention. The fourth question is, according to the course presentation, what ESP course will be useful and more needed in Colombia? According with the course presentation, the English for a specific purpose focus in fluency and materials productions are the more needed in Colombia. I think because the part of the fluency is a part that we need to be, for example, reinforced because we need to practice more in order to have the fluency that the students need. And also the creation of materials is an important thing in which we have to be focused in order to teach to our students in an authentical way. For last, the 5th question is, what ESP courses have you taken or taught in the past? I haven't taken an ESP before studying in this university, so the closer courses that I have seen in this university have been didactics of English, evaluation, technology in teaching English, materials designed for face-to-face environments, teaching English to adolescents and adults, didactics of mathematics and materials designed for virtual environments. That has been like the closer ones for teaching English for a specific purpose, because, for example, teaching English to adolescents and adults, these are focused in only adolescents or adults, so that course provide me some clues that I can implement for teaching to that particular group of people. So thank you so much for your attention, and until our next opportunity, goodbye.